Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix GPS tracker security and access issues. Unauthorized SIM card use, which can lead to unexpected mobile charges or data consumption. Causes unexpected mobile charges from calls, SMS, or data. Drain your data plan quickly. Allow unauthorized tracking or device access. Step-by-step fix guide. Step 1. Power off the GPS tracker. Before you begin any fix, turn off the GPS tracker and disconnect it from power or the vehicle to prevent any live communication or damage during handling. Step 2. Remove and inspect the SIM card. Take out the SIM card from the tracker. Check for physical tampering or if the SIM card was replaced or swapped. Note the SIM card number and compare it to the one registered in your device records. Step 3. Check SIM card activity. Contact your mobile service provider or log in to your online SIM management portal and review recent usage. Review recent usage, including calls, texts, and data. Look for unusual or unauthorized activity. Block or lock the SIM if it's being misused. Step 4. Set SIM PIN for protection. Insert the SIM into a mobile phone temporarily. Go to Settings. Security SIM card lock. Enable SIM PIN. Enter a secure 4-digit PIN. This prevents the SIM from being used in another device without the PIN. Remember to save the PIN. If forgotten, you'll need the PUK code from the provider. Step 5. Reinsert the SIM into the GPS tracker. Carefully put the secured SIM card back into the tracker. Power on the tracker and ensure it connects properly. Step 6. Configure APN and SMS access settings. Using the GPS tracker's SMS commands, lock down authorized phone numbers. Admin mode. Example command: admin plus password plus space plus your phone number. Restrict SMS command access to authorized numbers only. Set proper APN settings to avoid excess mobile data use. Step 7. Enable IP whitelisting on the server, if supported. On the GPS tracking platform backend, restrict the device to only communicate with authorized IP addresses or server ports. This prevents the SIM from being used for outside internet or app traffic. Step 8. Disable features you don't use. Some GPS trackers support voice calling, remote listening, SMS notifications. If you're not using these, disable voice SMS features using manufacturer commands or platform settings to avoid charges. Step 9. Set up alerts for unusual data use. If supported by your tracker or SIM provider, enable real-time usage alerts. Set daily monthly data limits with cutoff triggers. Step 10. Secure the GPS tracker physically. Mount the device in a hidden but accessible location. Use anti-tamper seals or casing if necessary to prevent SIM removal or device replacement. Optional tools: SIM management portal via carrier, GPS tracker app platform dashboard, SMS command list from the GPS tracker manual. Pro tips: always use M2M machine-to-machine SIM cards with fixed data plans. Consider using GPS trackers with eSIMs or remote lockout features for higher security. Keep your GPS firmware and platform software up to date.